Hi, I'm Eleonore, a third-year PhD student at Bielefeld University in the Digital Linguistics lab. In my PhD project, I want to model linguistic politeness in human-robot interaction. Being polite to someone is part of our everyday human interaction, even if this means that we might not be completely honest about how bad our friend's cake actually was. A central question for my research is whether and how robots should be polite in a similar way to humans. Throughout my PhD, I therefore carried out studies with different methodologies and from different perspectives. I collected expectations regarding a robot's politeness as well as users' own politeness behavior towards a robot. I will use these results from my studies to build a model on politeness production of a robot and test this model in a further interaction study. Along the way, my studies also provide insight for human-robot interaction design. Thank you very much for your attention. I'm looking forward to meeting you at the conference and feel free to reach out to know more about my research.